Sir, before you launch, I take the privilege of inviting you for this particular program, and I invite all my fellow directors, Madam Sanjay Reddy Garu, Jairam Reddy Garu, Jagdishwara Garu, then Honorable Registrar Ajay K. and Director CETLS Gopal Ras Garu, my fellow faculty members, and all the student friends who are taking care of this particular program. Sir, this program is planned to be conducted for the first time virtually from 9th to 13th June. And there are about 50 plus events, and it is offering about 10 plus workshops, guest lectures, and 45 plus internship and placement offers also. And on our request, eminent people are they have given their consent to participate and give their guest lectures. To name a few, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, Dr. Anil Prakash Joshi is a green activist and social worker. Professor Thalapil Pradeep is a professor, IIT Madras and Padma Shri awardee, and also the World Economy of Sciences Prize awardee. And also Ms. Anubha Maneshwar, she is the founder, Girl Script, Forbes Asia 30, under 30 TEDx speaker. So, and many good number of people who are eminent in their deliver guest lectures to the students, sir. So on this occasion, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to please launch officially the site. Once it is being launched, it will be open for the registration, sir. And what we are planning is from the registrations, 20% of the money that has been collected through the registrations, our student friends would like to send it to the CM's relief fund for the COVID relief or COVID care funds. So this is about this particular programs. So I request you now to please officially launch the site.
Should I launch it now?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Please click on that launch button, sir.
Launch button, click it, sir.
Yes, I am doing it. Right.
Okay, sir.
Many congratulations.
Now website is launched, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you, sir.
Sir, Vice Chancellor, sir, so kindly deliver for a couple of minutes a message to the organizing committee, sir. Your message to the organizing committee. And
I'm very happy and honored to be here with you this evening. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to launch the TechSite website. And I'm sure a lot of creativity must have gone in. And now going by the current situation, the way you said T and Z maintain the distance. Now probably quite obviously you are giving a wonderful social message that maintain the social distance. I'm sure that's what I could see on the front page of the website. But a lot of such creativity must have gone inside. And TechSite is a much sought after function or event of GKT. And these are such wonderful platforms where students of all different institutions come together, share a common platform, they exchange their views, ideas, they put forth their arguments and subject themselves to counter arguments. And probably, I'm sure, after 3 or 4 days of eventful, spending, probably, I'm sure, everyone who participates wholeheartedly must be expanding their horizons and improving their knowledge and getting fresh ideas into their mind, probably observing people, understanding the best practices. And I'm sure, I always felt we the academicians and or academic administrators, we always want such kind of events to happen so that, students, number one, they unwind themselves and they very freely exchange outside the classroom mode. They freely exchange, participate in the programs, and therefore it's a new learning all the time. And in the process, probably the institutions also get visibility. And I'm sure TechSite of this year, this edition rather, probably brings a lot of visibility to RGUKT, promotes RGUKT, and exposes RGUKT or as a towering institution among the academic circles of this country. So I wholeheartedly appreciate the organizers for this and all the students who must have worked very hard, in making this a possibility. And I wish, after the meeting, I go through the website and try to understand the creativity of the students. All the very best to you. All the very best to TechSite and all of you. My best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
I thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, for launching this particular website. And also I thank my counterparts, Madam Sanjay Reddy Garu, Jairam Reddy Garu, for joining this occasion. And I also thank Registrar Madam and also Padmas Garu for joining this meeting. And my best wishes to Professor K.K. Singh, the faculty in charge for this particular program, and all the faculty members and other student friends of the organizing committee, and hope this event will go in a big way. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Chandra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So do I have permission to leave the meeting?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
With your permission. Thanks. Organizing committee members, please stay there, and I request Madam Sanjay Reddy Madam Garu for a couple of minutes. Please advise our organizing committee. Your advice.
Sir, congratulations to Director Srinivas Rao Garu and the organizing committee members for organizing this Tech Fest. This type of Tech Fest is definitely helpful for the students to enrich their knowledge in the thrust areas of their disciplines. My best wishes to faculty and students who are involved in this Tech Fest, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you very much. Sir, Jairam Reddy Garu, please say a few words on this section.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody. I wholeheartedly congratulate Professor Srinivas Rao Garu, Director Nujuvedu, and his team for providing such a wonderful platform, TechSite 2021, for various opportunities, both technical and also cultural events for about 5 days. And naturally, it gives a lot of boost to the students who are at the home. Naturally, this type of the functions will be seen so far at the college level, and now it's a very wonderful thing for running such a type of program through online. I hope the students did well, and also faculty cooperation is also very good in this particular aspect. I wish the entire team led by Professor Srinivas Rao Garu to make this program a grand success. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I request K.K. Singh Garu, please say the final vote of thanks. K.K. Singh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, thank you all the dignitaries, directors of all the 3 campuses, Gopal Raju sir, and my colleagues, and the students organizers. So the students organizers have put much effort. In fact, these days I could not find much time. They always, catching me to get the work done in time, all that. So I thank them for all the effort, and I wish this year also will be grand success as the previous years. And I hope for the support from all the offices as we have been getting. So thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Namaste, madam.
Thank you, Srinivas Rao.
Namaste, sir.